In this video, we will cover the next mechanism, that is nothing but how to convert DFA to regular expression. There are two popular approaches for constructing a regular expression from any finite automata. Means there are two types of converting it. And first is nothing but through state or loop elimination method, and second is nothing but the Arden's theory. Okay. Now we will take the first mechanism while solving this DFA to regular expression, and that is nothing but the state or loop elimination method. Now I will give some small examples, and through them we will study how to eliminate the state into its regular expression. For that, first of all, see one statement, that is every state Qi that is not belongs to final state, means set of final state, can be eliminated. Means every state which is not a part of a final state can be eliminated if Qi is not a start state. Means you can eliminate the middleware states if it is not a start state and if it is not a final state. Then you can eliminate. Eliminate means minimize it or totally remove it from your state. How it will be executed? For example, you have one small DFA, for example, or one finite automata, and it is like this. These are having the state Q1, Q0, Q2. Q0 is the start state, Q2 is the final state. They, you don't have permission to delete this state and this state also, but you can delete this state. How it can be deleted? It can be converted like you have to maintain the start state. These are the concatenations. So you can eliminate this and directly write like A dot B and write Q2. Okay. Then, what is the next step or what is the next mechanism to convert the finite automata to regular expression? That is, for example, we will take one another such a type of a state like, for example, it is a Q0, it is having A, then it is a B, it is a Q2, then it is a Q3, it is a Q1, and it is a B and A. Now, after seeing the previous first statement, you all get idea about which states will be removed or which will be combined. Now, this is the start state, final state. This will be, now these are the start state, final states. Okay, so you can eliminate only this state. Okay, how it will be eliminated? We can convert like Q0, then Q2. Okay, and we simply write A dot B. And for some time we will maintain it like B. Okay, but how it will be converted? After eliminating the Q3 state, as it is having the backward connections, means it is a parallel mechanism, means giving us the mechanism of plus. But as if we write this diagram in plain manners, that is, we can write it as Q0, Q3 and Q2, means these are in a plain concatenation fashion. So we can eliminate them like Q0, Q2. First was A dot B, and this elimination can be converted into B dot A. But as that was the parallel mechanism, comma is there, you can write it as a plus. Means you can write it as Q0, Q2, A dot B plus B dot A. So this is the final conversion. We will take another one example of demonstrating how to convert DFA to regular expression. For example, we are having the states like Q0. It is having the final state Q1 and it is connected with A. Then Q2 is having the states and two-way mechanism, that is the B and A. Okay. Then Q3 is a state and having the mechanism like A, B. How it will be converted into a regular expression? You know that first and last step will not be deleted. Only step deleted, that is the Q2 and Q3. And they are the parallel states. Means here it is the A dot B and it is a B dot A. And it will be again concatenated with this. That is the, we can simply convert it as A into AB plus BA, and that's clean closure. So these are the some rules or some mechanisms of converting the DFA or a finite automata to its regular expression. Now we will convert or we will try to minimize the finite automata into its regular expression. We will take some examples depend on them. So first one is that, for example, you have given the diagram like a state is 1, this state is 2 and it is the final state. It is having the B as a double circle. It is having the B, B and it is the A. As you know that both the states are not eliminating states because it is a first state and it is a final state. Only mechanism is what? This is the A and it is having the parallel loop. So you can take it as A plus B, B. Okay? Means it is having B, it is having the self loop. Means this B, B star into again this B, and again you can make it as a clean closure because it is giving us the loop, and then you can take it as a, means if you remove any one step from B or B, it will be like B star and again B star because B giving the B star and is again giving the B star. So this is the final regular expression for this finite automata. Coming to the next, we will take another example, that is, for example, it is a one state and it is a final state. Then it is a 2 having the A self loop, it is having the AB. Then 3 is again a final state and it can be like B, B. So how it will be converted into the final states. For example, after eliminating these states, see here, this is the first state and again a final state, and it is a middleware connecting them, so it will not be deleted but it can be converted into a different mechanisms. For that, as you know that we can convert it like A comma B, and again A comma means nothing but the plus operator. Then it is in the serial fashion, so it is a concatenation and having the steps like A plus means it is a but it is having the parallel loop. So it is A plus B, B. Okay. And then it is a loop mechanism, so it is a star. Again, it is, if it is one is deleted, one B is there. Okay. So it is plus A and B. So after deleting one, it is a B and plus A is there. So this is the conversion of finite automata or DFA into a regular expression. So from exam point of view, these are maybe for 1 point, 1 mark questions, or it can be clubbed with the 5 mark questions like 2 mark for this and 3 mark for the conversion or vice versa. Both are having the alternative mechanisms. So this is all about how to convert the DFA to the regular expression. In next some videos, we will cover some next parts also. Thank you so much.